and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Lisset. For today's video, I'm very excited because I'm going to be introducing you guys to a new subscription box. Well, new for you guys, my audience. I've never unboxed this box here before, so this is the first time they sent this NPR for me, and I wanted to show you guys. So this is Chicbeautybox, and their beauty subscription box. It's $34.99 and it's 5 to 6 full-size items, and it's actually every other month. So this box right here that I'm going to unbox is January and February. Okay, so let's get started. I'm very excited to see what they sent me. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the inside. It had the wrapping paper. It's pink, and then you see here at Chicbeautybox their Instagram, and then it comes here with a card and the theme for this month, which I believe is Valentine's. It says Happy Valentine's Day. I'm not sure when I'm going to be uploading this, but yeah, it says Happy Valentine's. So since February is the month of love, this is what it is. So right here on the other side, it actually has like 3 different variations, 1, 2, 3, and then on the bottom, like they list all the items for each variation, and on the bottom it has the total value of each of those boxes. So I'm not gonna look at these, just to see which variation I have, and then a little bit more of the name of the product and how much it is, and then at the end, the total value of the box. So that's pretty cool that they actually did the work for you. So that's nice. Okay, so let's start the unboxing. So the first thing I have right here, ooh, this is nice. Okay, so it's from Cosmetics London Eyeliner Vegas Night Grand Glamour, and it's eyelashes. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty and fluffy lashes and very big and dramatic. It says that it's feather light feel, easy on, gently off, adhesive included. Ooh, so that's nice. They include the actual adhesive, the glue. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so let's see which variation this comes under. So it's the eyeliner. Where is it? Okay, so I see it here. I guess this is variation 2. So the eyeliner false eyelashes is $8.88. Okay, next item I have here. Ooh, okay, this is a really big brand. I really like this brand, and you guys know I'm always using their products. So this is from Tarte. Okay, let's see. I think it's an eyeshadow palette. Okay, let's take a look at it. So it says Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2. Ooh, nice. I think I have one of the Rainforest of the Sea. I'm not sure if it's this one. Hopefully this is a new one for me, you know, that I don't have in my collection. Ooh, okay, I'm so excited for this. Oh my gosh. No, I don't have this one. This is gorgeous. The packaging is stunning. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open and see her up. Okay, so they're cool tones. It comes with a mirror. Let me take off the little paper. It comes with a mirror, and then these are all these shades. It's so pretty. I have one of these palettes, but this is not the one I have, so I'm thankful for that. And look at all the beautiful shades. Okay, so they're matte, shimmers. I can't wait to use it and create a look with all of these products and this palette as well. So yeah, like I was saying, they're cool tones, so it's pretty. I'll probably try to use these products in like a video or something, like maybe Instagram. So make sure to check out my Instagram at @Lismania Beauty. So now let's see the price for the palette. So this is the Tarte. Where are you? Tarte. Okay. I'm a little confused because under variation 2, which was the lashes, the Tarte is not there. So I'm guessing it's not the variation. So I'm a little bit confused. Ooh. Okay. Well, anyways, we'll just, I guess, add up at the end just in case, because I have a feeling that I have things from all the different variations put together. So I would still add up everything at the end so you guys know. The Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2, this is $36. Okay? Next, ooh, nice. This is a mascara from NYX Professional Makeup. It's called Voluptuous. And then it says Volume and Define Mascara. And I don't see the color anywhere. No, I don't see the color anywhere. But I'm guessing it's like, no. It says LL04. So that's. And then the packaging is really, really pretty. It's like an ombre color, like black and then like wine red right here. So that's pretty nice. Let me see the price of this. So I'm guessing is the NYX Lush Lashes, I believe. Lush Lashes Mascara. So it's $8.88. Okay, so it's $8.88. I was like having a hard time finding the name of it because the name here is Voluptuous, but then they wrote here NYX Lush Lashes Mascara. And then it looks like in all the variations, that's where it they actually send that to everybody, all the variations. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Next product I have right here. This is from Bare Minerals. Ooh, Bare Minerals. Okay, so this is the Gen Nude Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Bare Essentials. Okay. Ooh, so it's a pretty like nude shade. This is the color. It's really, really pretty and nude. I like it. Okay. So let's see. Okay, so I found it, thank God. So this is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Matte Lip for $20. And then the last item I have right here is from NARS. That's a pretty expensive brand. This is the Afterglow Lip Balm, okay, in the shade Dolce Vita. Okay, so it's a pretty pink packaging, and then you have the NARS name here. And then, ooh, okay. So it's also like a pinkish shade. Yeah, it's really, really pretty. Okay, so let's find that. Okay, so the NARS Afterglow Lip Balm is $28. So that's it for this box. Let's add up everything because they did send me from a little bit from every variation, I believe. Maybe this is what they did like for, you know, influencers. They send like a little bit of everything for each variation so you get an idea of what you could get for the month of January and February. So let's sum up everything that they sent me. Okay, so remember the box is worth $34.99 and it happens every other month, and sometimes you get 5 and sometimes you get 6 full-size beauty items. Okay, so let's find again all the items because it's a little confusing, and then we'll see, you know, we'll add up everything for a total value. So the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Matte Lip is $20. Then I have the mascara, the NYX Lush Lashes Mascara, which is $8.88. Okay. Then I have the Alert Files eyelashes, which is $8.88 as well. Then the NARS Afterglow Lip Balm, which is $28. And finally, the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2, which is $36. So the full value of this box that they sent me, I believe I added everything, is $101.76. So that's a pretty good deal. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, and yeah, that's it. It's a really, really nice deal. You got really good brands, so I'm happy about that. I can't wait to try all of these products out for you guys. I'll probably do like a little either reel or IGTV or my stories during this month on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me at Lismania Beauty. Thank you very much, Chicbeautybox, for sending this box to me. And check out their Instagram. I will be linking everything below so you guys can check it out and see if you like it. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.